Welcome to the Quick Terrain Modeler DoD Quick Start series. The concept here is to get DoD users up and running as quick as possible. There's a companion reference guide that we distribute at DoD training sessions. If you need that, email us and we'll get it out to you. Here's how it's going to work. You're going to open Qt Modeler. You're going to set the DoD preferences, so all your settings. We're going to load some data into the scene. That includes 3D data and 2D imagery. We'll focus on the four most popular analytical tools in the DoD: measurements, line of sight, HLZ, and slope. We'll annotate the scene, create routes and checkpoints, drop stencils, marker icons, and then we'll get those results out into other applications. Here's how the process works. I start with an MGRS grid. I copy it. I search for data in the search tool. Copy the grid in, find my data. I inspect my data, load a DEM and an image. I mark my search point with a marker. I'll call that Objective Reno. I'll mark Objective Reno with a few range rings. I'll perform line of sight from the objective. I'll perform HLZ analysis. I'll perform slope analysis. I'll measure distances. And building heights. I'll use stencils to screen for sufficient HLZ size. I'll plan a route from the HLZ to the objective. I'll place checkpoints along the route. And then I'll export this project to other applications, such as Google Earth, ATAC, PowerPoint, and other GIS applications. Of course, those things are just scratching the surface. We'll be using this data from Iowa in a lot of these videos. If you want to get it, go to the appliedimagery.com download site, scroll down a little bit, and look for training data. You'll see one from Des Moines, Iowa, and one called Rural Iowa. Most of these videos will use the Rural Iowa data. So let's get started. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email.